This video is about removing fake browser update alerts related to the site Playprogressivehighlythefile.vip. It's a misleading pop-up attacking Google Chrome and other browsers. Playprogressivehighlythefile.vip indicates that you need to implement certain browser update. But in reality, interacting with these pop-ups is extremely dangerous. They try to infect your browser with unwanted browser extensions that may hijack and change a lot of crucial browser settings. I'm going to install such extension on purpose in order to demonstrate to you what happens after it gets installed, and in order to explain to you how to get rid of third-party extensions manually. Well, the extension, after it gets installed, may change a lot of crucial browser settings, such as the default homepage, default search engine, and the new tab URL too. So then, whenever you start submitting some particular search queries, or simply open the new tab, you may notice some strange alterations into the way your browser operates. And the results, the search results, may be delivered by some other unwanted search engine. So to fix these issues, of course, you need to remove any third-party extensions which were mistakenly installed. To remove them, access the menu of your Google Chrome, go to More Tools and choose Extensions. Now you ought to disable and remove any suspicious extensions which were mistakenly installed. And of course, in the future, remember not to trust these fake Chrome update alerts. I would also recommend you to additionally examine the system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. It will help you to detect and eliminate other threats from your computer which could possibly be hidden. So go to the website combocleaner.com, download the program using this green download button, install the software and begin researching your device with its help to detect and delete other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.